A cheerful welcome to all the students at this English class. As we are doing the tenses series, we are at present perfect continuous tense. So let us start it. So far we have discussed the simple present tense, present continuous or progressive tense, present perfect tense, and now in this video we will discuss about the present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous or present perfect progressive tense shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. The helping verbs in this tense are has been or have been. Now let us see where has been is used and where have been is used. So has been is used when the subject is third person singular. That means when the subject is he, she, it, or it can be any singular noun. Whereas have been is used with the subject I, you, we, or any plural subject. Let us once more go through the use of has been and have been. So as I told you, has been is used with he, she, it, or any singular noun like Rohan, Sia, my mother, his friend, etc. That means has been is always used with third person singular. Now it is about have been. So have been is always used when the subject is I, we, you, they, or it can be any plural subject like children, boys, girls, teachers, etc. In this tense, to refer the time, two important words are usually used. One is since and the other is for. Let us see where since is used and where for is used. So since is used for a specific point of time. For example, I have been walking since 9 p.m. So 9 p.m. is a specific point of time. That is why since is used here. Then come to the use of for. For is used with a period of time. For example, I have been walking for 2 hours. So 2 hours is referring a period of time. That is why for has been used here. Let us see the sentence structures in this tense. When the sentence is positive, we write or we use the subject at first, then has been or have been, whichever is applicable. Then first form of verb with ing, that means the present participle form of verb. Then the object, then since or for, whichever is applicable, and time. In a negative sentence, we use the subject, then has or have, not, been, first form of verb with ing, object, since for, whichever is applicable, and time. When it is an interrogative positive sentence, the helping verb comes first, that means has or have, then subject, been, then present participle form of verb, object, since and for, whichever is applicable, and time. When it is an interrogative negative sentence, has, have, subject, not, been, first form of verb with ing, or you can say the present participle form of verb, then object, since for, whichever is applicable, and at last the time. When it is a WH family positive statement, the WH word comes first, then the helping verb, whichever is applicable, subject, been, first form of verb with ing, object, since for, and then time. At last, when it is a WH family negative sentence, the WH word comes first, then the helping verb, subject, not, been, first form of verb with ing, object, since or for, whichever is applicable, and at last the time. Let us go through some examples of this tense when the subject is third person singular. Positive sentence can be Radha has been reading the comic since morning. Negative sentence, Jenny has not been attending the school for 2 months. Interrogative positive sentence, has the gardener watering the plants for 1 hour? Interrogative negative sentence. Has Ragini not been eating food since yesterday? WH family positive sentence. Why has the student been studying since 2 o'clock? And WH family negative sentence. Why has she not been living in her own house for 2 years? Let's see some more examples of this tense. When the subject is I, we, you, or any plural subject. Positive sentence. We have been studying since morning. Negative sentence. Jenny and John have not been attending the school for 2 months. Interrogative positive sentence. Have the boys been watering the plants for 1 hour? Interrogative negative sentence. Have you not been eating food since yesterday? WH family positive sentence. What have you been doing since 2 o'clock? And WH family negative sentence. Why have Riya and Sneha not been attending the classes for 10 days? At the end, I would like to say, keep learning children, and thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please do share it with your friends.